Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tega. If you're new here, you're very welcome. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to make a scallop neckline. Very easy. So let's get straight into the video. As you can see here, we've got different types of shape for the scallop neckline, either as a round shape or kind of a square or V-neck. And also you can decide to have your scallop neckline at the back as well, apart from the front. But in this video, I'm gonna go for a V-neck scalloped neckline. You need your pattern paper, and to start drafting this pattern, you need to fold your paper into two, like you're gonna make a bodice pattern. So I need to draw out the neckline first, which is taking the neck width of 4.5 inches, right? I'm gonna mark the 4.5 inches and I'm gonna take 7.5 inches for the neckline depth. I'm gonna be going for a V-neck shape. Like I said, you can go for any neckline shape. I'll be going for a V-neck, so you want to grab your ruler and connect the markings together to form your V-neck shape. After that, you want to take your shoulder line measurement, your shoulder line divided by 2. So I'm going for 8 inches here. So 16 inches shoulder line divided by 2 will give me 8. So I'm marking the 8 inches. And once I mark the 8 inches, I'm going to be drafting my armhole. This is not part of the video, so I'm just going to do this quickly so I can continue with the scalloped neckline. Now back to the neckline, you want to take 2 inches, right? From that end, you want to mark 2 inches, 2 inches, then another 2 inches. Then you mark another one. So with the last one is more than 2 inches, so you would find your way of adapting the curve you're going to be drafting soon. I realize I did not record this bit, so sorry about that. So what I did after adding the 2 inches was to mark the midpoint of the inches. So I marked the midpoint there, there, and there. The height of the curve is 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch. If you want, you can add 1 inch, and a quarter will be the sewing allowance. I'm gonna add my own sewing allowance when cutting my fabric. So I made use of my curved ruler and made those curves from one point to another point like that within the 2 inches. So I made the curve, then moved on to the next one again between that point and that point. I carried on till I made all my curve, as you can see. Yeah, so all the way down there. And once I did that, I cut, and this is what I ended up with. This is a perfect V-shaped scalloped neckline. And like I said, if you want to make it deeper than 7.5 inches, you can go all the way to 8.5. And also, like I said before, you need to add your sewing allowance to the shoulder and also add allowance on that bit as well. You can add it during the pattern making process, but I'm going to be adding mine when I'm cutting it on the fabric. So guys, I hope this video will help you in drafting a flawless V-shaped scallop neckline. Remember guys, if this video is helpful, subscribe, press that notification bell, like, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, look after yourself and bye.